Big Magic: Creative Living Beyond Fear by Elizabeth Gilbert is a guide to embracing creativity and overcoming the fear that often hinders artistic expression. Gilbert draws from her personal experiences as a writer, offering advice and inspiration to help readers unlock their creative potential. The book is structured into 6 parts: courage, enchantment, permission, persistence, trust, and divinity, each exploring a different aspect of creativity. Courage: Gilbert begins by discussing the fear that often paralyzes people from pursuing their creative passions. She emphasizes that fear is natural but must not control the creative process. Courage, she argues, is not about the absence of fear but the willingness to create in its presence. Enchantment: Creativity, according to Gilbert, is a mystical and almost magical force. She describes inspiration as a living entity that seeks collaborators who are open and ready to act on ideas. Creativity is unpredictable, and Gilbert encourages readers to be receptive to moments of inspiration when they arise. Permission: In this section, Gilbert asserts that individuals don't need permission from others to pursue their creative endeavors. Creativity is a birthright, and people should allow themselves the freedom to explore their curiosity without seeking external validation. Persistence: Gilbert reminds readers that creativity isn't always about bursts of inspiration. It also requires hard work, persistence, and dedication. She advises creators to stick with their projects even through periods of difficulty and uncertainty, noting that success is not always immediate. Trust: In this section, Gilbert discusses the importance of trusting the creative process. She encourages readers to release their perfectionism and self-doubt, trusting that their efforts are worthwhile, regardless of the outcome. Divinity: Gilbert connects creativity to something larger and spiritual. She views creative expression as a way to engage with the world on a deeper level, suggesting that it allows individuals to connect with a divine force or universal energy. Throughout Big Magic, Gilbert offers practical wisdom and encouragement, motivating readers to confront their fears, take creative risks, and live a life driven by curiosity and passion. She stresses that everyone has the capacity to be creative, and living a creative life can lead to greater fulfillment and joy. The book is an empowering call to pursue one's creative